That's a real tattoo. I will see you soon, Cap. You're not alone. Liars. But look, for real though, I'm gonna do like a cinematic thing. Whoa! Low-key six-pack on some shit.
9 a.m. man, we in the booth. I'm gonna say, man, somebody never gets to feed, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me.
How the
heard
heck
that?
you did this?
With it, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth.
What do you do, gangarang? Hey man, I may or may not get to this video before I leave, but I may just chop it up real quick to throw it out there to y'all. But y'all said y'all wanted her back, so we brought her back. I said y'all like the last video, so we brought her back again. Today we got a pretty cool, nice, meaningful video. Alexa, stop. If you could, go ahead and explain to them what the concept is. Kate came up with it. Here, hold it.
Alright. Alright, so the concept is basically broken promises, because people like to always say things.
And flag on they top, capping they rap, bullshit the trap.
Alright, yeah, so it's gonna be with the markers, and we're gonna put promises that we heard people say to us, and they broke, and they flake, and that shit, that hurts, okay? That hits a heart, that hits a part of your heart. So we're gonna do a little more deeper level today.
I low-key wanna do one. I gotta do a photo shoot like that. That's gonna be messed up though, cause I'm gonna put like promises like, I'm gonna target my family members.
We targeting people today.
I'm gonna be like, I promise we'll go to the pool. That used to scar me as a kid.
Are you serious?
Bro, I used to get told that all the time, we would never go. I feel like that actually genuinely scarred me. Like, that was like what began to make me believe that you cannot trust humans. Because I would hear that from my parents. And we never went to the pool. And they'd be like, we're gonna go to the pool at 4 o'clock, and we didn't go to the pool at 4 o'clock. That's why I know that like promises themselves hold so much weight on like a person.
Yeah.
Because I was a child at that time. And yes, it's the pool, but that pool developed into something else. Like from the same people, they'll first tell you a little lie, or a little, I'm not gonna be able to make it, or a little flag, or a little cap, or they make a promise and they break it a little bit. And that little bit gets so much bigger, and it's not okay. So we're gonna be shooting with K, LOL. But let's go ahead and make it happen, you guys. We're gonna show you guys the process and everything as usual. Let's do it. This is how it's looking so far, you guys. The I promise is basically like the word that's being said, and then these are the finishing statements of that. Like, I promise I will change. I will stop. I promise things will change. All the different like promises and stuff like that. There's nothing on her back yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Here we go, you guys. We will make it together. Everybody heard that. You will have my support, Cap, mother, dad. I will stop. Bullshit. You are the only one I want. Fuck that boyfriend. Things will change. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm gonna stop, all right? I'll stop. I'm healing, Cap. That's a real tattoo. I will see you soon, Cap. You're not alone. Liars. But look, for real though, I'm gonna do like a cinematic thing.
Man, watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? RP the real. RP the real. Screaming fuck the fake. My new bitch named Glockiana tryna take her on a date. I don't do no dick riding, probably why these niggas hate. On the low to tell the truth, but ain't no way these niggas straight. Ain't no way they getting cake. Hope they know that they ain't safe. At the bank before they open, I'm in line, these niggas late. I've been focused on my grind and wasting time, cause I can't wait. I'm too real, can't fabricate. Full table, pass the plate, this money help me masturbate. I had started with a 7 and they watched me graduate. I mean, watch me passing weight. I already hit my quota shit, but that was sad.
This is the lighting setup that we have today, you guys. We have the B200 from Zhiyun. They sent this light out to us. I just did a review on it, and yeah, setup shooting off at harsh light, and we're gonna see how this looks and comes out. Let's do it. So you guys, we have the light here. We're using it, and it's on raw flash. You know what I'm saying? Well, not raw flash, but it's just a whole bunch of continuous light going on. I'm gonna turn these lights off back here as well, so that way you guys can see that we're just using that one lighting source. Hold on, let me find. Alrighty, there we go. Boom, so that one lighting source that actually has a really harsh shadow, and I thought this is gonna be really cool. So I'm gonna take some test shots right now and show you guys how they look. I have my Evo mist filter on here, you guys, that I'm using as well, and yeah, let's see how they come out. You see, hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1, you see, 3, 2, 1, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is hard. 3, 2, and 1. Guys, the continuous light photography. If you guys don't know what continuous light photography is, it's when you shoot with a continuous light. You don't have any flash or anything like that helping you out. You have one continued light source. You know what I'm saying? And this is what we're using today, is continuous light. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. So really focusing on the words, you guys, and make sure you're putting that focus on what you need. It's the I promise, it's all of that in there. You will have my support being seen. Hold it in there, let me see. I'm really going with like all the harsh light, you guys. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, I will see you soon being in there. Oh, you're not alone, it's a capper. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, that's hard, hold it, hold it. Yeah, that's hard. I ain't gonna lie, I like these even not.
Oh, that's dope.
I like these even without like black and white. Like we'll see how they look both though, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Shit, even without it. Like what? Don't these look hard? Like your skin color with the, I don't know.
Yeah.
That separation. See, look at that, what?
Yeah, that's pretty.
That's hard. Oh, you got a new tattoo and shit. Look at it, it's blended in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Looking at it. Look nice. That's always how it is when it's raw though. When it's raw. Oh, maybe put that "you're not alone" foot on the chair. No, put the left one. The "I will see you soon" up on your foot. Oh, up on, yeah. There you go. I hope not. Nah, you're good. Yeah, there you go. Hold it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Let me see. Hold it. Yeah, like that arm up is kind of hard. Oh, do the other arm switch. Yeah, like that. Hold it out a little bit more. Yeah, like that. Hold it. Hold it. Oh, that's hard. Let me get on this side. Change your angles, you guys. Don't be afraid to move around. This shit looks hard because it's like the only thing standing out is the black. Oh, I don't stand in front of the light. In front of the light. Eye contact. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, we're missing something right here.
Oh yeah, if there was something. I mean, well, you can put your leg down now. There you go. Boom. Yeah, like that. There you go. There, let me see. Hold it. Yeah, like that. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is literally raw light. If this doesn't tell you guys that you can shoot with anything and that nothing gear don't matter, this is what you should see. Gear does not matter, bro. I'm not using a flash or anything. I'm using one light. This is a one light setup, gang. Yeah. One light. All you need is one light and a camera. You can use a phone if you wanted to. Get you a powerful enough light, and it will make them things come true. Yes, there we go. Hold it. Yes, them shadows are doing it, you guys. It's just very like raw quality. This is very taxi quality. Kate look like she been in the gym. Low key 6-pack on some shit. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep, hard. Hold it. Make sure you guys get different angles, even if it gets in the way of your video. Oh, hold it right there. Right there. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. Look at me, eye contact. Let's do that again. But like better. Like to where you open it like that. Yeah, like that. There we go. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Let me see. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. You do look like you've been in the gym though. I don't know why or how, but maybe it's the light. Maybe it's the shadow.
The light.
Oh, the light. I don't know. It's doing something. You make you like you got a 6-pack that you don't have. Cause like I look and I'm like, she don't got it, and then I look in the camera and it's like she got it. Maybe it's my camera. Eye contact. People go like, why the hell that girl got socks on? I'm like, cuz, bro, sit at her feet.
Cause I'm fucking pain.
I'm trying to get. I think I'm gonna get a tattoo in Puerto Rico, but I don't know what I'm gonna get.
In Puerto Rico?
Yeah, I was gonna get one. I was gonna get one everywhere I travel, low key. And when I go back to New York, I'm gonna try to get something. Nice little vibe, you guys, today. Just showing you guys once again to get out there and create and know that you can create anything out of anything. So don't let anything stop you from creating. Whether you got one light, you got 2 lights, you got a continuous light, you got a non-continuous light, you got whatever the hell you got, all right? Don't let it stop you. I'm adding another light, you guys, to the equation. And as you guys know, this light is connected by a phone app, so you can see the phone app wherever we want. But I'm thinking like this. One continuous light, multiple light setups, different things that you can do with this light setup. Okay. All right, so as y'all can see, there you go. Yeah, these are gonna be hard too though. Yeah, these are hard. Hold it. Yeah, eye contact. Yeah, it's hard. This is hard because it's like you could see the lights and like different little like spurs of it. You know what I'm saying? It's like different spurs of the lights. Let me see. Boy, see the light that we using and shit. Let me do a picture of the setup. Huh? You and the light. Oh, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Basically showing that what I'm using. Hold on. Hard. Oh, yep. One more. One light, multiple different lighting setups. You know what I'm saying, you guys? You just play around with it. I'm about to do one last one to show you guys that you could create anything out of anything. Put the light down here, you guys. Tighten it. And we're gonna turn this light towards our subject. Towards the back of our subject. Nah, there you go. We're gonna bring it in, you guys. So we have it backlit on our subject. So it's gonna be backlighting the back side of the subject, you guys. Just like so. So we can see what kind of shots we get from it coming from this direction. There you go. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And what you guys can do is also, if you guys really want to balance this lighting out, what you could do is you could grab your little handy dandy trusty reflector and put it directly in front of your model. And it literally, you see that? Y'all see how the reflector plays with the reflection? You could turn it and have it right at the same way that you want for your model. model, put it onto their face, and you can get that shot just how you want it with that reflector. Get that reflector and bounce that light in. Yep, there you go, just like so. Now you can get you some amazing images with just one light in the reflector. And she has that nice hair light from the back as well. I'm at 5F. I'm about to go all the way down to F2. I'm gonna go down to my shutter as well and my ISO. Yeah, it's just like that. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me get that lighting right there. There we go. Yeah, this is just from one light in the back, you guys, and having the reflector. Yes, there we go. This is like practicing with the sun. The same way how you shoot with the sun, the same way how you shoot with this. So I have this reflector down here. I'm gonna shoot up top, just like that. Just one light, you guys. That one light. You can get any different look that you want, just using one light and that reflector. There we go. There we go. It's unique. It's a different type of light.
I like that one. That was so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, I look so more innocent with this lighting.
Look at this, bro. See what I'm saying? This is the lighting of innocence, y'all boys. That backlight.
That's so pretty. Yeah, we did good.
You know what I'm saying? 3 lighting setups, 1 concept. You guys probably can't see it, so I probably should use the reflector. Nah, I can turn your lights on. I missed the 2 slipper, nigga. I missed the with the sharks, you with the fishes, nigga. We settling for less. I ain't fucking on. I seen 100 ball. Flip phone. This is actually like a crazy light, bro. This shit is so, it gets so like high and like power is insane. Yeah, I ain't fucking know. I done seen 100 ball. Split phone. Doing somersaults. Oh, yeah, love you guys. But make sure to show the photographer, videographer, or a model that may find this information is helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?